Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see how we can configure Jenkins user access. So the Nautilus team is integrating Jenkins into their CI/CD pipelines. After setting up a new Jenkins server, they are now configuring user access for the development team. Follow these steps. Click on the Jenkins button on the top bar to access the Jenkins UI. Log in with the username and password. Let's do the first step. Okay, we have logged in. Create a new Jenkins user named Amar with this password. Their full name should match Amar. Okay, so we have logged in. Now click on Manage Jenkins from the Jenkins dashboard. Click on Users under Security tab. Let's click on Create User. So the username is Amar. Password is given here. Let's copy. Name. This one. Sorry, password. Copy. Copy password. Full name. Paste. New user has been created. Now let's go back to dashboard. Click on Manage Jenkins again. So second step is done. Utilize the project-based Matrix Authorization strategy to assign overall read permission to our user. Grant access. Again, we clicked on Manage Jenkins on the dashboard. Click on Security. Here I did I didn't find. Let's check global security. This is where we actually need to check. Let's see. Admin is missing this permission. Some issue. Just remove all the permission for anonymous users if any, ensuring that for existing job grant. You may need to install plugins and restart Jenkins. After plugins installation, restart. Plugins were installed, but restart was not done. Maybe because of some issue. Here we are not seeing manage Jenkins option. I think some issue with Jenkins maybe. API token. I think because of the legacy mode, it is not alone. Logout, login again, admin, and then the password is this. Still the same. I think some issue. So we don't have any other go. We have to stop this flag and then system find manage Jenkins. Okay, let's try again. Start. Be not in despair. The way is very difficult, like walking on the edge of a razor. Yet despair not, arise away and find the ideal, the goal. This is the best part while starting any task. Cloud offers us to share some quotations as such, which will definitely motivate. So we have to repeat first and second part again. Let's click on Jenkins here. User admin, and then this is the password. Admin password I have copied. Sign in, manage Jenkins, users. You have to create the username. Now if they have changed the name to John, password is this, paste, paste, full name is just John. Now you see this here under the security we have to find under authorization there should be the matrix, but here we were unable to find it, that option. What we can do is manage Jenkins plugins. Advanced updates. Select all this update. Let's restart. Okay, let's log in again. Admin, and this is the password. Let's check if it was installed or not. If not, then we might need to install. So this is still not working. Hmm. I think this is because plugin was not installed. Let's click on plugins. Installed plugins. The available plugin. Let's search for Matrix Authorization Strategy. This install. It's done. You can start using the install plugins right away. Okay. Let's click on Manage Jenkins. Click on Security. Yeah. Here we can see project-based matrix authorization strategy. Because here utilize project-based matrix authorization strategy to assign overall read access. So add user. User ID is AMNAR. Okay. Here it is showing user not found. Why? Do we need to give as sorry. In the previous exercise we have given Amar's name, but here we have given John's name, right? JOHN. Okay. The user is present, that's why it is showing correctly. Here this user is not present, so we can remove. Now we need to provide overall read access because here to assign overall read access. So I have selected overall read access. Save. Now we need to check if anonymous has any access. It's not having. Admin, of course, we have everything. John is having none of this. Oh, we are all good. Remove all the permissions for anonymous users, if any, ensuring that the admin user retains overall admin permission. For the existing job, grant John user only read permissions, disregard other permissions such as agent SC. Can we check this? Go to this, for example, specific job. Click on configure. As we are admin, we were able to see all these options. Now we need to check permissions. Here we are not finding anything as such because we have to find permissions, then only we can do anything. This is the only job we enable project based, right? Right. Now click on add user, John, click OK. User got added. Where we need to provide him only read access. Here if you see, for the existing job, grant John user only read permissions, disregarding other permissions such as agent, SCM, etc. So only read access. Let's click on save. That's it. Click on ship. We are all good. That's it. This is how we grant access. One is global level we have seen. The other one is project level. Even if it's global level read, if you want the project level to be, for example, build and read access, both you want to give, we can give. This is how we configure Jenkins user access setup. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Thank you.